Now looking at elimination, or in this case, E1. Well, E1 is similar to SN1, where there are two steps. And we do have a weak nucleophile, but specifically with elimination reactions, we focus on bases instead of like our nucleophile is essentially a base. So we're looking at weak bases. Now, there are rearrangements possible, and we will go over an example of rearrangements and what to do in that case. E1 also favors polar protic solvents. Remember, protic refers to there being hydrogen bonding in our solvent. And then in this case, for our rate law, it's going to focus on the overall concentration of our electrophile. So our rate will be affected by the concentration or the amount of electrophile that we have. Next are our substrates. So remember for SN1, the substrates that are most commonly favored are something that is tertiary or